Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm back with you with a pack with me video for what I packed in my suitcase for Qatar and South Africa. So as you know, in Qatar they have a certain dress code that you have to abide by, which is their cultural rules. So I did keep that in mind when I was packing my clothing, as well as the weather and like how warm it's going to be and everything like that. So I just wanted to show you like how I packed. I'm going to be staying 6 weeks in Qatar, and then mainly in Qatar we're going to be here for just like a stopover, and then mainly our stay will be 6 weeks in South Africa, in different countries in South Africa. So I just want to show you what I packed and show you how I packed if you were just getting ready for a trip, or if you were wondering how to pack for international travels or traveling overseas for a long period of time and you wanted to know. I'm just here to give you a couple tips. So here we go. So I'm just going to walk you through and show you what I packed. Obviously what I'm wearing is what I packed, part of what I packed in there. I did bring two turbans, this one and a black one, and then I brought this dress, little outfit of the day. It's like an Indian kind of style dress with the slits in the sides, and I'm just wearing with like a pair of like ripped jeans and some sandals. So a pretty basic outfit. I thought it was culturally appropriate and acceptable, as well as super dope. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I packed, and hopefully it will help you for your travels. So this is everything that I packed, and I got everything into that Victoria's Secret bag that you see there. And I packed a couple underwears, unmentionables, that will remain unseen. I packed a couple crop tops. So this is a crop top, this one's like two crop tops. This one is a bodysuit. It's like a turtleneck bodysuit. So one turtleneck bodysuit. I packed like 4 pairs of socks for working out, because I work out a lot. And I worked out today, of course. This one is like a heart-shaped bodice, like strapless top. This one is a one-shoulder top. So one of each, because I like to have versatility and I like a lot of different type of shirts, because I'm really creative and I dress creatively like that. This one is just another tank top. This is a dashiki, because of course you need a dashiki if you're going to South Africa. And then this is a off-the-shoulder top. It's jeans, so it'll match my jeans that I'm wearing. This, of course, is South African, like a biker shirt, so you can wear it as a shirt, or you can wear it for working out and running or biking. This is just like an overlay kind of shirt that I packed. So I packed one of those. I thought it'd be very versatile, because I could put it over top of things. I could put it over a crop top. I could put it over a bralette or anything like that if I wanted to. Then I brought one t-shirt. Well, no, a couple t-shirts. I brought like 2 t-shirts, and there's my third one over here, which is like with some Christmas style shorts, since we're going to be here for the holidays. And that's one of my pajama sets. So 2 pajama sets, 2 t-shirts. These are some pants, like high-waisted, kind of loose-fitting pants, because I know in Qatar, like you can't wear really tight-fitting clothes, so I'm not going to be wearing leggings walking around. So I packed those to wear if I wanted to wear those as another option. I packed 2 bathing suits. One is a full piece and one 2-piece with high-waisted bikini. I packed these 2 shoes, and I wore those for travels. And I also packed these shoes that I'm wearing today in there. So I have a total of 3 shoes that I packed, and well, a total of 4 shoes that I packed total. And then I packed 3 biker shorts and like 3 workout shirts. One is a crop top long sleeve. This one is really, really long, covers my butt. It's my Tupac shirt, my favorite workout shirt. You may have seen it in one of my workout videos. And another workout shirt, which is just black and basic. So then I packed 3 sports bras, because I do work out, like I said, while I'm on vacation. So I packed 3 sports bras. And then for cover-ups, I have a cardigan, a red Hollister cardigan. And I packed 2 cover-ups. So I have this one, which is really pretty, and it's like a shawl. And then I also packed a pashmina that kind of goes with the colors of my theme. And then I also packed a head wrap, because of course I'm going to be in South Africa and you need a head wrap. Why not? So then I also packed one pair of shorts, one pair of jean shorts, because I have all the biker shorts that I can also wear as workout gear, but also as clothing. And I have the one pair of jeans that I'm wearing. And then I also have two dresses. So this one is a two-piece dress, and this is a one like really long maxi dress that goes all the way to the ground. Because I was once again thinking conservativity because of Qatar. And lastly, this is like a romper, a one-piece, kind of like, what you call it? It's like it's a one-piece cropped leg pants romper. So then I needed one hat, so I brought this Kangol because my theme was kind of like red and black, because it's Christmas time, because we're traveling here during the holidays, so we'll be here on our vacation from Thanksgiving to Christmas into the new year. So I did pack the red hat, and I thought it'd be great because it's hot, so it's like a visor, so when I'm working out, if I want to cover my face and block some sweat, and keep my hair up, because my hair is in braids, if I want to lift it up, I can put that over top. And then I put all of this in my bag, which it could be a carry-on, but I went ahead and checked my bag because I didn't want to haul it around with two kids. So that's everything that I packed, and all of that fits into that bag. So if you want to see me pack everything into this bag, just stay tuned and I'll show you just like a quick kind of run through and show you how I get everything into that bag. All packed up and ready to go. Thanks for helping me pack. So thank you for watching my video. I just wanted to help somebody to pack, because I know when I pack it's kind of frustrating, because I also have two children and a husband, and I pack for everybody, so when I pack I have to pack times 4. So it can be kind of frustrating. So what I did is I mainly just focused on packing light for myself, but also thought about versatility. So I didn't bring a whole lot of stuff, but I have a lot of clothing options and combinations, but I also look super dope as well. I'm also a cool mom. So if you wanted some tips, hopefully I was able to help you, kind of show you kind of like how I packed, the amount of things that I packed. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I also used a packing cube to put everything in so it would be so compact into that bag. So hopefully this helps you and gives you some ideas, kind of like roughly around the amount of things that you need to pack for your capsule travel international wardrobe. And I hope you have a great day, and bye.